Me, Mommy, don't cut me.
Okay.
Okay.
First haircut. Sadie's first haircut.
Alright, Bubba.
It's gonna be silly. Let's hold hands.
Just put your head up. Look up. Look up.
Look at that.
Let's see.
No. Just keep your face there. There you go. Good job. What? It's all gone.
You got bangs. Here, wait. We gotta get right here.
What do you think? It's not in your eyes anymore.
What's a mommy's fingers?
The scissors.
Don't move.
Cut them a little long because it's cool.
There you go.
What do you think?
Good.
Good?
You don't have to brush it out of your face anymore. What do you think?
And look, there's your hair. Should we save it?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's my hair.
First
There
haircut.
it
That
goes.
went
First
pretty well.
haircut. The
And
end.
now Daddy's cool hair.
Daddy haircut?
Yes.
No, Daddy just cut his hair.
And now Sadie's.